Aren't you guys proud of me? I am trying to be consistent again. I'm proud of myself, and that's what's important. Hey guys, it's your girl OG Teddy. Pause. Hey gang, it's your girl OG Teddy B, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna be doing my makeup. I'm going to a house party right now, and I need to get myself together. So I did my brows already. I'm probably not going to be able to show you all the products because honestly, I need to do this quickly. Freaking sirens just ruining my video. Anyways, yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna start by applying my concealer on my eyes to prime my eyes, and I'm gonna be moving really fast. I'm gonna be very honest, I don't know what the hell is going on outside of my house, so this is gonna have to turn into a voiceover because I cannot be talking with all that shit going on outside. So let's jump right into this. I'm taking the MAC Purple x9 palette and taking the shade Poignant and just diffusing that right into my upper crease area. As you can see, it's really important to take your time and blend the first shadow out. From there, I use the second shade, Nuit, and I use that with a pointed brush. So I'm kind of packing the shade on, and then I'm taking that 216 brush by MAC and I'm kind of slowly diffusing it out. This step is super important. You gotta really take your time and blend the shadow out. So you'll see me going in small circular motions, and it is time consuming, but if you want your shadow to look poppin' as hell, it's important for you to use those small circular motions and take your time and slowly diffuse the product outwards. And then you can start doing the back and forth windshield wiper motion like I'm doing. Final shade I took is Man Catcher, and I'm applying that right on my lids with just a flat shader brush. And then I did take that pointed brush just to kind of go back over the crease because I did lose a bit of that crease color after applying the lid color. And of course, back with that 217 brush and just blending all of that out. The key is to make this all look seamless and just gorgeous. I did add a bit of eyeliner. I didn't really extend it out, but it was just for the sake of like hiding my lash band. And I'm using the NYX eyeliner. Oh yes, I applied my lashes, EXO lashes in Style Vegas. But I use my Smashbox primerizer. It's like a moisturizer and a primer kind of mixed in together. And I apply that all over my face. My face is always moisturized before I apply my primer, but sometimes, you know, when your face feels a little like dehydrated, my face felt like that. So I use this to give me that perfect base. I'm mixing my favorite foundation right now, the Studio Fix Fluid in NW46 and NC55 by MAC. I'm applying that all over my face, and I'm blending that out with a Real Techniques foundation brush. I really love this brush for blending out my foundation. I think it does a really great job, and my foundation just looks like really seamless and very like just flawless. I'm using my cult favorite concealer. I've been talking about this for the past few videos, my NC45 Pro Longwear Concealer from MAC. And I love this concealer because it is just long wearing. It literally lasts. If you're someone who has like a sensitive or dry under eye area, I probably wouldn't recommend it too much. It may sit in those fine areas, but you can probably set it with a powder, like a mineralized skin finish powder that will probably, you know, not dry out under eye anymore, but kind of just add like a good base over top of it. I'm contouring and I'm using my NW46 Studio Fix Fluid again, and I'm just taking a really nice dual fiber brush to really blend that out, work that right into the skin. And after I'm done that, I'm, you know, contouring my nose, of course. I got my dad's nose, y'all. Yeah, I know, I got his nose, his forehead, the biggest things on my face I got from my dad, shit. And I'm setting my under eye area with that same powder, and just every area that I concealed, really my nose, my forehead, my brows, because you don't want your brows running off. And then I'm taking my Studio Fix powder in the shade NC46 to just kind of set the rest of my face. I just decided to add my setting spray before I finish my makeup. I find it helps sometimes with the longevity of your makeup. And the eyeliner I'm applying is from Sephora. It's a retractable black eyeliner. And of course, I follow my same steps. The eyeshadows that I put at the top of my eye, I'm just bringing them down. And then I'm adding a bit of inner corner highlight, and that shade is actually called Sweet Lust. Adding some mascara to my lashes, and I'm using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And then some blush finally. And I'm using the Breath of Plum brush by MAC. Breath of Plum blush by MAC, sorry, and the Shade and Light powder in Definitive to just set that area that I did contour. you know, so that's my under my cheekbones, and of course my big nose. And y'all, I just added any brown any brown lip liner that I had with some clear gloss because that's all I was wearing this summer. And yo, that's it. That's all. That is it. So thank you so much for watching. I'm trying to be more consistent, as I said in the beginning of my video. But yeah, this had to be a voiceover because those sirens were trying to like ruin my shine. But yeah, this is the finished look. Quick, easy, simple, pop in. Thank you for watching. Bye.